Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short story named as When the Earth Shook. Let us start. A bad dream. Help, help, save me. Oh. There was screaming and shouting everywhere. The ground was shaking and people were running all around. Screaming loudly, I got up. On hearing me, my mother also woke up. She came running and held me tight. It was the same bad dream. It has been more than 6 years now since the earthquake. But in my sleep, I still feel the earth shaking and trembling. I am Jashma. I live in the Kutch area of Gujarat. I was 11 years old when there was an earthquake. It was 26th of January 2001. Everyone from the village, children and old people, had gathered in the ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly, the ground was shaking. People were scared and started running here and there. No one knew what was happening and what to do. There was total panic. In a few minutes, our village was flat on the ground. All our things, clothes, pots, grains, and food, were trapped under the stones, mud, and wood from the fallen houses. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. Many people were seriously injured. My legs also got fractured. The doctor treated people with the help of the villagers. 6 people of our village died. My grandfather Nana was also buried under the houses. My mother wept all the time. Seeing my mother, I also cried. The entire village was sad and disturbed. House of Mutabapu, who is Sarpanch of our village, was not much damaged. He gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. For many days, the village women cooked food together at Mutabapu's house and fed everyone. Imagine being without a house in the cold winter. Fear and cold kept us awake in the nights. All the time were worried that there may be another earthquake. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.